Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Living with pigs. Alisha, Jocelyn, and Shannon Eberly knew nothing about pigs until their family decided to raise them on their farm in Pennsylvania. First, for practice, the girls raised 6 piglets that belonged to a neighbor. Then the Eberly family bought a pregnant sow and waited. As the sow's time drew near, the girls checked her teats for milk by pulling them. Gray milk meant her babies would come within 24 hours, Alisha explains. When the milk was white, we'd have babies within 12 hours. Finally, the first piglet came. "It looks like it's running out," Shannon said. The piglet's eyes were open. Unlike other newborn animals, piglets have strong legs and are able to run. Alisha picked up the slimy piglet. "Yuck," Shannon said. "It looks gross." The girls wiped off the mucus, making sure the mouth was clear so the piglet wouldn't choke. Now it was pink, clean, and cute. Only 5 or 6 inches in length, the piglet looked like a week-old kitten. It weighed just a pound or 2. Jocelyn gently took the piglet from Alisha and placed it on hay under a heat lamp. "There," she said, "you'll be nice and warm." A piglet was born about every 15 minutes. The girls wiped off each one and placed it under the heat lamp. Mr. Eberly clipped each piglet's 2 pointed upper teeth, called needle teeth. He also notched 1 ear on each piglet to tell the piglets apart. Then he gave each piglet a shot of iron. After 3 or 4 piglets were born, the girls carried them to the sow to nurse. While they drank, the sow gave birth to more piglets. Somehow, a sow can control her milk and give it for about 20 seconds at a time. Then she shuts off her supply while she and the piglets rest. Soon, the piglets come back for more. Each piglet returns to the same teat several times a day. A sow has enough teats to feed many piglets at one time. Most litters have 8 to 10 piglets, but some may have up to 15. Piglets nurse for 5 or 6 weeks, then eat pellets made of vitamins, proteins, and minerals. A week after piglets stop nursing, a sow may be bred again. Then, in about 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days, she will have more piglets. In 1 year, a sow might have 2 or 3 litters and be the mother of 45 piglets. The Eberly sisters are very busy. They feed the pigs twice a day, clean the pens, exercise the pigs, and give them water to drink. "The time goes fast when we work together," Alisha says. "The pigs are almost like pets, and we love them all," Alisha adds. "We're sad when they're sent to market, but we know we always have more piglets to take care of."
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.